Today, I'm going to be replacing the wheel bearing on this Volkswagen Jetta. And the reason why is this. Seven millimeter hex head for the caliper.
Right?
Yeah. No. Huh? Pad to put your legs on. Can you grab that? The kneeling pads. And here you got to pull the tab up, and then it'll come out. Then you can take a brake pad out. Center bowl is 27 millimeter. You can put a screwdriver to hold it from spinning. T30 for the bolt. .21 millimeter for the caliper mount. Calls for a 12 millimeter triple square. Here's our new hub. Line it up. It calls for new bolts because they're torque to yield. So to finish the video, I'm just going to go ahead and install these for now. I'm going to replace them after. Torque I found online. First step is 70 Newton meters. Now an additional 90 degrees. And like I said, you need a new bolt. .200 Newton meters. Torque I found online went from like 190 to 200 Newton meters. So I'm just gonna go right in the middle. torque I found online was 30 newton meters. And once you get to this point, you put the wheel on, put it on the ground, and then you rotate this 180 degrees, and then you're good to go. And that's how you replace a wheel bearing on these Jettas. Hopefully this video helps y'all. Y'all have a good one.